Hammaga assalomu alaykum. Marjona salom.
Assalomu alaykum Said opa.
Yaxshimisiz?
Yaxshi, rahmat.
Bugun biz Marjona bilan ikkita dialogni sizlarga ko'rsatib beramiz. Tayyormisiz? Tayyormisiz?
Albatta.
Boshladik. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new class, and in this moment I would like to welcome you to do a grocery shopping in a bazaar. Let's watch a short dialogue before we start. Boshladik. Issiqqina nonlar bor. Kelinglar. Issiqqina nonlar hozirgina keldi. Kelinglar.
Assalomu alaykum opa, yaxshimisiz?
Assalomu alaykum singlim, yaxshimisiz?
Charchamayapsizmi?
Rahmat.
Nonlar nech pul?
3000, 5500.
Kichkinasi 3000, kattasi 5500.
Ha, shunaqa.
Menga ikkita kichkinasidan bering, iltimos.
Xo'p.
Demak, ikkitasi 6000 bo'ladi. Menda 5000 talik yo'q ekan, 10000 talik bor.
Menda bayda bor. Mana sizga 4000.
Paket kerak emas.
Kerak emas.
Rahmat.
Mana rozi bo'ling. So, did you watch the dialogue? Did you understand? Of course, it was a dialogue between a non-seller. Non-sotuvchisi. Sotuvchi is salesperson, saleswoman, right? Suhbat is talk. And I would like to read the lines of this talk so you understand each line. And then you can watch the dialogue one more time as usual. We have 2 dialogues today to learn, and I will show you how to buy non and one other item. So we have big one, big non, big bread, circle bread, and small one. And when you come to a bazaar, you can always choose between big one and small one. And in this dialogue and the following dialogue, you can also listen to the talk where the client is asking, clarifying, how much is the big one? How much is the small one? But before we start learning the dialogue, the phrases of the dialogue, let's look at the vocab, short vocab. So, kichkina is small. Kichkinasi means the one that is small. So among many, one that is small. So kichkinasi. Katta is big. Kattasi, among many, katta nons, one of the. Yeah, the one that is big. Then we have the word demak. Demak is so. Mayda borma. Mayda is small change, right? And 5000 talik is 5000 soom banknote, and 1000 talik, 1000 soom is 10,000 banknote. And this sentence over here means I don't have 5,000 banknote, but I do have 10,000 one. So in a bazaar, it's very common to pay cash, and people in a bazaar, they prefer cash because that's how they got used to it, right? And in our dialogue, there's a lot about cash, about change, small money, and etc. Now let's go to our dialogue itself and look at each line of kharidar. Kharidar is its customer, kharidar, and Marjona, she was kharidar. Sotuvchi is saleswoman or salesperson, man. So one word works for both. So kharidar, Marjona, says assalamu alaikum, yaxshimisiz? And I was sotuvchi. Wa alaikum assalam. Keling singlim. Singlim is my sister, right? My younger sister. Yaxshimisiz? How are you? Charchamayapsizmi? So that's another greeting. If you watch the greetings video, you already know. Charchamayapsizmi doesn't really mean aren't you tired, right? It means how are you? Opa, and kharidar, the customer, is telling me opa, like sister, older sister. Non, nech pul? Non. non nech pul. She's saying non nech pul. So the woman, the salesperson, the saleswoman is saying uch ming besh yarim ming, which means 3,000 and 5.5 thousands. And haridor, customer, is saying kichkinasi, the one that is small, uch 3, kattasi, the one that is big, besh yarim. Shunaqama? Shunaqama? Is that so? Huh? And the seller is saying yes. And customers decides kichkinasidan ikkita bering iltimos. Kichkinasidan, give me please 2, those that are small. Demak, the customer is saying, so, oltiming bo'ladimi? 6,000, right? Ha. 5,000 talik yo'q ekan. I don't have 5,000 banknote. 10,000 talik bor. I have 10,000. And the seller is saying, menda mayda bor. I have small change. Mana sizga 4,000. Here you go. 4,000 so'ms. Xaridor, Marjona, the customer is saying, paket kerak emas. I don't need plastic bag. Rahmat. And the seller is saying, sog bo'ling, which means goodbye. But here it can be also translated like be healthy. Goodbye, rozi bo'ling. Make peace with it. Make peace with your shopping. And this is it. This is the whole dialogue. And how about listening to it again? Listen to it again and compare your understanding of the dialogue from then and now. And let me remind you that these classes are devoted to improving your speaking skills in Uzbek language. Issiqqina nonlar bor, kelinglar, issiqqina nonlar hozirgina keldi, kelinglar.
Assalomu alaykum opa, yaxshimisiz?
Assalomu alaykum, singlim, yaxshimisiz?
Charchamayapsizmi?
Rahmat.
Nonlar nech pul?
3,000, 5,500.
Kichkinasi 3,000, kattasi 5,500.
Ha, shunaqa.
Menga ikkita kichkinasidan bering, iltimos.
Xo'p.
Demak, ikkitasi 6,000 bo'ladi. Menda 5,000 talik yo'q ekan, 10,000 talik bor.
Menda bayda bor. Mana sizga 4,000.
Paket kerak emas.
Kerak emas.
Rahmat.
Mana rozi bo'ling. Okay. We are done with learning the first dialogue. Now, let's learn the dialogue number 2. Makka johora is corn. We can also say it in Russian, kukuruza. The Uzbek name for the word for corn is makka johora or johora without makka. Johora, makka johora. In Russian version, kukuruza. Makka johora sotuvchisi bilan suhbat, right? Dialogue with the seller of corn. And before we start learning the dialogue, let's watch the dialogue itself and then come back to the subtitles.
Assalomu alaykum.
Assalomu alaykum, keling.
Jo'xori nech pul?
2,5 mingdan.
2,5. Demak, to'rttasi 10,000 bo'ladimi?
Ha, shunday.
Arzon qilib bering.
Mayli, 9,000 bering.
9,000. Xo'p, mana 10,000.
Rahmat. So, did you like it? Did you notice it was shorter than the first one? Yes, and moreover, it doesn't have a translation. I will show you the lines, I will show you the subtitles of the dialogue, but no translation because it's almost the same as the first one. And if you understood the first one, you'll clearly understand the second one too. Assalamu alaikum, you know. Xaridor, you know. Sotuvchi, you know. Va alaikum, you know. Hello, hello. Johora, and we already talked about Makka, it can be said fully, Makka johora or johora. Johora qancha? Johora qancha? How much is corn? 2,5 mingdan. 2,5 mingdan. 2,5 is 2.5 thousand. So for each, 2.5 thousand so'ms. Demak, so to'rttasi for 4 pieces 10,000 bo'ladi. 4 pieces 10,000. Ha, shunday. Yes, right. أرزان قلمايسizmi? What's that? That's very interesting phrase that we can use only in a bazaar or in bazaars in general, but not in supermarket. Arzan is cheap. Arzan قلمايسizmi? Won't you make cheaper? Can you give me a discount, right? So there's no word discount, but there's word arzon, cheap. Arzon قلمايسizmi? Won't you make a discount? 9,000 قلب beraman. So that was 10, right? Where's 10,000? It was 10,000. 4 multiplied 2.5. And she's saying 9. 9 is 9, so she's taking away 1,000. 9,000 maile torte bering. So خریدار, the customer is saying, give me 4 please. خب mana 10,000 rahmat. Actually, over here, when خریدار, the customer, is giving 10,000, she was supposed to wait and take 1,000, but she didn't. And what was the point of the, of the discount? You never know. So after the customer says, "Arzon قلمايسizmi? Won't you make a discount?" The seller says, 9,000 قلب beraman. I will make 9. Wow, great. So she makes the discount. And then customer, خریدار, who is Marjona, she says, 9,000 maile torte bering. Okay, 9,000, deal. Give me 4 pieces. And so Tucci says, خب. And Marjona says, mana on me, here's 10,000. And ideally, she should take 1,000 back, and we can assume that it's happening, even if it's not written here. But discounts and bargaining is real case in Uzbek bazaar. So this is what I wanted to deliver you, that it's not always, hello, how much it costs? Okay, this much. Can you make a discount? Arzon قلمايسizmi? مايلة خوب. يعني أرزون قليل. So this expression will be helpful for you to go to a bazaar and, prolong your talk and make person talk to you longer and longer. Maybe you don't need a discount. Maybe you can just use it to practice more Uzbek. And if you can use it, go ahead. I will be more than happy. Let's watch the dialogue one more time and then conclude this lesson.
Assalomu alaykum.
Assalomu alaykum, keling.
Jo'xori nech pul?
2,5 mingdan.
2,5. Demak, to'rttasi 10,000 bo'ladimi?
Ha, shunday.
Arzon qilib bering.
Mayli, 9,000 bering.
9,000. Xo'p, mana 10,000.
Rahmat. Oh, you finished? Okay. So how was it? First time and second time? Let me know in the comments below what you think about our lesson. Izohlarda uyga vazifangizni kutib qolaman, and I will be waiting for your home task. And for a home task, I think we could sell something together to each other. I mean, I will be selling corn and bread, and you can buy. Ask me, how much is bread? How will I make a discount? Do you need plastic bag or not? And I will answer to these comments and pretend we are in a virtual bazaar and we can practice Uzbek together in the comments. Okay? And if you like learning Uzbek with me, welcome to my Instagram page, and we can continue learning Uzbek on my Instagram page too. Keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha xayr, sog' salomat bo'ling.